Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upscale your videos to 4K high quality using HeyGen, completely free and easy to do. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the HeyGen website. If you are new to HeyGen, click the sign up button to create a new account. You'll need to provide a valid email address, create a password, and possibly confirm your email before proceeding. If you already have an account, click login instead. Enter your registered email and password, then click the login button. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to the main dashboard, which is the central hub for accessing HeyGen's features. From here, you can start exploring templates, creating AI videos, or managing your account settings. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Apps section, usually located in the top or side menu. Click on it to reveal a list of available tools. From this list, select Video Upscale. This is the tool designed to enhance your videos by increasing their resolution without losing quality. Whether you have an old low-resolution clip or a video that needs to look sharper for presentations or social media, Video Upscale makes the process fast and effortless. After selecting it, you'll be taken to the Video Upscale interface, ready to start improving your video. After opening the Video Upscale tool, locate the Upload Video button on the interface. Click it to open your computer's file explorer, browse through your folders, and select the video file you want to enhance. Once selected, the video will begin uploading to HeyGen. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. While it uploads, you can see a progress bar or indicator showing the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your video will be ready for the upscaling process. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to adjust the output settings to get the best results. First, select your output resolution. You can go as high as 4K if you want ultra clear, sharp video quality. Higher resolutions make your video look more professional, especially on large screens. Next, choose the output frame rate. This determines how smooth your video playback will be. For example, 30 frames per second, FPS, is standard for most videos, while 60 frames per second provides extra smoothness, perfect for fast motion content. Adjusting these settings carefully ensures that your upscaled video not only looks sharper but also plays smoothly, giving your final output a polished, high-quality appearance. After you've customized your output settings, it's time to start the actual upscaling process. Locate the Upscale button on the interface and click it. HeyGen will begin processing your video, analyzing each frame, and enhancing it to the resolution and frame rate you selected. The processing time may vary depending on the length of your video and the chosen output quality. During this time, you might see a progress bar or percentage indicator showing how much of the video has been processed. Once the process is complete, your video will be fully upscaled, ready to download or preview, now looking sharper, smoother, and more professional than the original. Once HeyGen finishes upscaling your video, you'll be able to preview the enhanced version to make sure it looks exactly how you want. Take a moment to check the clarity, smoothness, and overall quality. If you're satisfied, click the download button to save the upscaled video to your computer. Your video is now in high-resolution 4K quality, ready to use for presentations, social media, or any other project. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your original footage into a sharper, smoother, and more professional-looking video. And that's it! You've successfully upscaled your videos to 4K using HeyGen completely free. Don't forget to check the link in the video description to try it out yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they can learn these tips too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more helpful tutorials.